In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload an HTML file to Wix 2025. We'll do this right inside the Wix editor by adding an HTML embed, pasting your code, setting the right consent options, and publishing your changes. Start by opening your site in the Wix website editor. On the left side, open the Add panel and look for the option to embed custom content. Choose Embed Code. Then select the option that says you can add widgets and apps to your site using HTML code. In the Embed options, pick HTML. You may see HTML listed more than once in this area. Choose the regular HTML embed element and place it on your page. You can drag it where you want and resize it so it fits the layout you're aiming for. Click the element and choose Enter Code. A code window will open. Paste the HTML you want to display. If you have a full HTML file, copy its contents and paste them here. If your HTML is hosted elsewhere, you can paste an iframe snippet that points to the hosted file. When you're ready, click Update to apply the code. Give the embed a clear label so you can recognize it later in your editor. A short, descriptive name works best. Next, set the consent and cookie behavior for this embed. In the settings, you'll see categories such as Essential, Marketing, Analytics, and Functional. These help your site comply with privacy regulations and control when the code loads based on visitor consent. Indicate which cookies or similar technologies your code uses. If your snippet is purely structural and doesn't set cookies, Essential may be appropriate. If it tracks behavior or displays ads, include Marketing and Analytics as needed. If it enhances site features without tracking, Functional might be relevant. Select only what accurately describes your code. This ensures the element behaves correctly with your site's consent banner. After confirming those settings, publish your changes. Click Publish at the top right, wait for the confirmation, and then click Done. Visit the live page to verify everything looks right. If the embed seems cut off, return to the editor and resize the element. If something doesn't show, double-check that the code is valid, that any external resources load over HTTPS, and that your consent categories don't block it for users who decline certain cookies. That's it. You've added your HTML to Wix, configured consent properly,